Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you'd remove the bumper to replace the bumper for whatever reason, if it's broken, damaged, or so forth, and also to be able to get behind it if you need to do some other components, and especially like a headlight assembly, you'll need to remove the bumper. So to start with, up top here we've got push pins that go right here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Once you've removed those push pins, then you can go ahead and pull this cover up and off. And then you remove that cover, set it to the side, and then we've got more push pins to take off to be able to get access here. So we've got 1, 2, and 3. And so we'll remove those. Just a small screwdriver or a little pointer tool will work pretty well. Get in there. So we have those 3 push pins removed. We've got some more push pins down here behind the bumper, or behind this cover. Another thing that is to be removed is down here. You need to remove these shields. And these are held on with an array of these bolts, and can be some push pins that go around on the outside, just right here under the bumper, and then you can pull those and remove that. And then in the fender well, we've got some stuff to do there. So here in the fender well, you've got this clamp here. You need to loosen it and remove. Okay, and then right up here would be the same thing, and this is just a push pin, and you do that on both sides. And once that's all removed, then all you have to do on this is you pull this and it snaps off this side, and then we do that on the other side, and then the whole bumper can be removed. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this side too. And so with all of that undone, then you can just grip your bumper and remove it. And if this one doesn't have fog lights, but if it had fog lights, you would have electric that you would need to unhook from the bottom. But that's how you remove your bumper, to be able to do anything you need to behind the bumper, and to be able to remove your headlight assemblies. So that's how you do that on your Toyota Camry. So then once you've gone ahead and replaced everything that you need to that's behind the bumper, or you put a new bumper, you need to put your new bumper back on, you'll go through the reverse order and just pick it up. Set it on here, and line it up that side, then line up this side, making sure these channels are where, because the headlight assembly will hold, it has the grooves and channels to hold the bumper up and on. You snap those clips on, push this forward here, put all your push pins back in, and then put the outer piece back on, and then put your bottom shields on, and bolt those all in place. And that is how you reattach your bumper when you're done doing whatever you need to while the bumper is off. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.